Greetings and welcome to Agile Sync. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Smartsheet with Agile Store Locator through Agile Sync. And by doing so, your Smartsheet account and the data on your Smartsheet account will be synchronized with Agile Store Locator. So any changes you make on Smartsheet will be reflected on Agile Store Locator automatically. So let's see how we go about doing this. Let's head over to WordPress. Then we'll go to Agile Store Locator plugin and click on Agile Sync. Once we are here, we'll make a new sync job through this button over here. Now let's give the sync a name. Let's call it Smartsheet Sync, for example. Then we'll choose the platform, which will be Smartsheet in our case. Now we just need to get the access token and the sheet ID. So let's head over to our Smartsheet account. Here is our store data sheet. So the sheet ID is this section of the URL. That's the sheet ID. Simply copy it, head back to WordPress, and paste it over here. Now we need to get the access token. So let's go back to Smartsheet and let's click on the account button over here. And then we'll click on apps and integrations. Once we're here, we will click on API access and then click on generate new access token, and the API key or access token will be generated. Simply copy it, head back to WordPress, and paste the access token or the API key over here. Once that is done, click on Start Mapping, and you will be taken to the Field Mapping section. Over here, you can map the store fields to the API fields. For example, item ID will be the same as store ID, title will be the same as title, latitude will be latitude, longitude will be longitude, and city will be city, street will be as street. And you can continue doing this till all the fields have been mapped. Once you are done, scroll down here and click on Save Mapping. And on this section here, we can set up the synchronization schedule. So for example, let's set the frequency to a daily sync. We can also enable or disable the synchronization schedule. Let's enable it. And you can also enable the email notification through this button over here. Once we're done, let's click on Finish. Click on OK. And as you can see, the Smartsheet sync has been successfully added. Now let's test the sync by clicking on Execute. And you can see the service has been executed. Upon doing this, you will get a email notification similar to one like this, which shows you that the sync has been successfully executed. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.